Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're watching this video, you're probably looking for some tips on how to grow your own YouTube channel. Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to share the best tips and tricks to help you grow your YouTube channel and gain more subscribers. Tip 1. Consistency. Consistency is key. You need to upload videos regularly if you want your channel to grow. Create a content schedule and stick to it. Your viewers will appreciate knowing when to expect new content from you and are more likely to become regular viewers. Tip 2. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is important to build a community around your channel. Reply to comments, ask for feedback and suggestions, and create videos based on your audience's interests and requests. This will show your viewers that you care about them and their opinions. Tip 3. Optimize your videos. Optimizing your videos for search engines is crucial if you want your videos to be found by new viewers. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Also, create eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your video's content. Tip 4. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers can help expose your channel to new viewers. Find YouTubers who create similar content to yours and collaborate on a video or project together. This will help both of your channels grow. Tip 5. Promote your channel on social media. Promote your channel on all your social media platforms. Share your videos with your followers, engage with other creators, and use relevant hashtags to reach new audiences. So there you have it, the best tips to grow your YouTube channel. Remember, growing a channel takes time and effort. But if you follow these tips consistently, you'll be well on your way to gaining more subscribers and building a successful YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.